Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to use Bubble to build a to-do app in just around 9 minutes. So let's get started. So as you can see, what we have is a brand new Bubble app with no workflows and nothing set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is create my data type for my task, which really just includes a description and also a status of whether it's done or not. Next, I'm going to configure the page. I want it to stretch across the screen. And I'm going to build my first block. I'm going to add a margin so it will have some buffer from the top of the page. So first thing I'm going to add is a title for the app. And give it a style. Then next, I'm going to add an input group so that we can add a task description in the app. Here I'm going to add a button that when we click this button, we will be able to add a task. Now I'm going to create a group to display all of our outstanding tasks by using Bubble's repeating group element. Here I'm going to display a list of tasks that are not done. So anything that has been done will not be shown on the front page of this app. And in each of the row, I'm going to basically just show the description of the task. And also it's going to have a button. Going to use a check button such that when someone clicks this button, it will mark the task as done. So notice that we are here just setting up the front end. No workflows have been created. Let's preview what we have so far. So here you can see it's just a very simple input group right now because we have nothing stored in the database in terms of the tasks. So I'm going to add some workflows to the button. So here I'm adding a workflow such that when I click the add button, it will create a task and store it into the database. And we only want this button to fire this workflow when the input has something in the group. So let's try this out. And voila, you can see that the tasks are being added to the list. And now I want to be able to click the check button to mark a task as done. So essentially we're just really updating the status of done from no to yes. And as you can see, the check mark is successful and the task gets removed from the list. So the basic architecture of the app is done. I'm going to just do a few enhancements. Here I'm going to do a counter of all of the pending tasks. I'm also going to add a button that allows the user to clear all of the outstanding tasks easily. So let's see. Here you see we have 2 pending tasks. I'm going to add a new one, an account ticket, updated automatically. And if I click clear all the tasks gets cleared away, which is exactly what we want. So the basic functionality of the app is done. I'm just going to do some stylistic enhancements to make the app look better. Alright, so here we have my final product. It's a pretty simple to-do app, but we managed to complete it in just 9 minutes. Well done us.